There we go. All right, we're working on the chord melody for a ripple. We're in the key of C. Let me show you very slowly what we're doing here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me break it down for you. We have single notes, C chord, and the G is the melody note. We can not play any higher notes than that. So I'm just plucking my G, C, and E string. Da, 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 2, 3, 4, 1. Sliding single notes to the E note. Da, 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 making an F chord. And I press my baby finger into the 3rd fret. I'm making, because I need a C note. That's the melody. Here it is, right here. See the baby finger? And then releasing it. And here we've got this part of the song. Da, 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 da. Second part of the solo. Ba, 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 ba. Now, I go back up to an E string, and I'm going to play all 4 strings because the chord is a C chord. We can do that. Then we go to a D, and the chord is a G. We're just going to do a G, not a G7. And that's the form that we were using with our other song. So here's our C, G, make an F chord, and the A note is going to be the melody. We're fudging the melody especially right here. C, C, A, C. So what I was calling out there were the melody notes. So it's C, D note is a melody with a G chord, F, okay. So let's try it again really slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just holding an F chord down. C chord. 2, 3, 4, 1. F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. C chord. G chord. 2, 3, 4. F.